I am very excited to show you what I consider to be a major update to our product line. But before we start, I'd like to recap a few things. In my last report, I showed you that although the volume of emails we get is very high, this in itself is usually not a problem. A lot of our emails are very similar to emails that we have written before. So the real problem is that we spend a lot of time and energy rewriting emails that are almost identical to emails that we have written before. We have created a system that lets you write emails once and then use the same text as many times as possible. This has specially been designed for email and works inside Outlook. It requires almost no change to the way you already write your emails. And most importantly, unlike other solutions, this is much more than just copy and paste. The easiest way to show you the benefits of this new solution is with a few quick examples. I have Outlook open here, which already has insert text installed in it. With insert text, you don't need to leave Outlook as it adds its own menus and buttons inside Outlook for you. For my first example, I will work on this sample email. I have received an email from a customer wanting more information on one of our products. Instead of clicking reply like I normally would, I will use the insert text section of the toolbar and click respond and reply using template. This displays insert text main screen. I have been using insert text for a while, so you'll see I have quite a few templates here already. I can find the template I want by filtering the list by category or typing a word from the subject of the template. In this case, I've typed send. I'll select the right template and then now I'll click insert. Insert text will create the reply for me. Let's take a quick look at what insert text has done for us. Insert text has used a template to create the email with some standard text, but it has also done much more. You'll notice that the standard text can include formatting such as the bold on this email. Insert text has also customized the reply for us by automatically filling in the customer's name. It has also CC'd the email to my sales manager, who has to be kept in the loop. And finally, insert text has also attached our product brochure to this email. All I now have to do is click send. How long would it take you to do this manually each time? What are the chances that you may miss something? Insert text is much more than just copy and paste. What are insert text templates? Insert text templates are simply emails that are saved in a special folder in Outlook. If you know how to create emails in Outlook, you already know how to create insert text templates. Let's take a look at the template that we used in the last example. I'll type send, right click and click edit. This is the template from the last example. In addition to the formatted text and the subject field, insert text templates also support to, CC, BCC and the attachments fields. To save a template, instead of clicking send, just go to the insert text section of the toolbar and click save template. There is an even easier way of creating simple templates while you are in the middle of writing another email. As an example, let's say I'm in the middle of writing this email and I decide that this section of the email needs to be put in a template of its own. I simply select it and then click on the insert text section of the toolbar, create template. I type in the subject and select a category. I can also add a new category directly to the list by typing it here. Then I click OK. I can now go back to my email and keep typing. I was able to create my new template while still continuing with my email. Personally, I have found this to be very useful, because prior to this feature I always told myself that I would create a template later, but then never did. What are the ways in which insert text can be used? Insert text can be used to perform all the main email functions that you do. You've seen a template being used in a reply already. Let's take a look at a different example. The simplest use of insert text is to insert some text into the middle of an email that I'm currently working on. In this particular example, I want to give my customer a list of my websites. I already have a template set up for this, so I click Insert Text, I type websites, and I insert the template. You will see my list of websites has automatically been inserted, saving me a lot of time and the possibility of an error. The remaining ways of using insert text are only possible because we designed this product specially for Microsoft Outlook. I will click Insert Text to show you what's possible. Using insert text, you can create new emails, you can reply to existing emails, you can do reply to alls, and you can forward existing emails. In one step, this will create your email for you, complete with the subject, the message, to, CC, BCC, and attachments. You can also customize the body of the email for you, as you saw in the first example in this video. I'd like to finish off with an example of an email that I had to write last weekend when one of our websites went down. I needed to email the web host to get the problem resolved. Let me show you how easy this is with insert text. Now, before I used insert text, this process would have taken me at least 10 minutes. Now it took me less than 30 seconds. Click New Email using Template and find the template by typing website. Select the correct template and click Insert. Let's see what my insert text template has done for me. It has filled in the to field for me so that the email is addressed to the correct support email address. It has filled in the correct subject to identify our problem to the web host, and it has filled in all the necessary details to identify our web account to our web host. Also has any special instructions that we normally send to them. This includes a CC to our webmaster, who has to be kept in the loop for any problems that we have for now. All I now have to do is to type in details of the actual problem. Oops. Fix that up. And click Send. Using insert text, this tedious but essential email has been reduced to a simple point and click task. Plus, I now know that we won't be wasting precious time sending more emails because of missing information. I hope I've convinced you how you can use insert text to greatly reduce your email stress. You can write emails in less time, and you can write better quality emails at the same time, all while you are working inside Outlook the same way you always have. Register for the Insert Text 3 launch now. We plan to release the product before the end of this week, and we will be giving away some great bonuses to our fast movers, including additional Outlook software. Use the link below the video to register now.